Yeah. Now another question, two infinitely long parallel conducting wires A and B carrying current I and 2I in the same direction. Wire A has uniform mass per unit length lambda and lies on the insulated floor. Now let's consider the wire, this is the floor and the wire is kept here like this. Okay, got it? This is what, this is your wire A. Okay, now what is more given here? A is having how much current? I, and B is somewhere here. B is having how much current? 2I. Now first concept, same direction current. If the current is in same direction, when two parallel wires are kept at a separation and it is having same direction current, they attract. Got it? They do what? They attract each other. So on A, force will start acting in the upward direction. Got it? Now what more is given? The wire B is kept fixed at a height h. Now this separation is given h. Got it? This separation is given h. The minimum magnitude of h, so that wire A doesn't rise from the floor. So I will do one thing. I will take just small part of A. Okay, let's consider how much length I am going to take. From here to here, I will take L length. Okay, I will take only this part. In this part, let's consider force is acting F. Got it? Who is applying this force? This wire. Applying on whom? Wire A. Okay, this F should be equal to mg of this wire. Understood? Got it? Now in this case, we already know what is the formula for force per unit length. In this case, what is the formula? Force per unit length is equal to mu naught I1 I2. So it will become what? I multiplied by 2I upon 2 into pi into separation between them h. So what is going to be this force? This force is acting on this part only. Okay, length L of A. So how much is this force? Mu naught 2 I square. Okay, into L divided by 2 pi h. This should be equal to mg of this wire. Mg will be how much? Lambda is given mass per unit length, and how much is the length? L. So m will become what? Lambda into L into g. So L will cancel each other. Okay, like this, and we have to find the answer of what? Minimum magnitude of h. So h will become 2 and 2 cancel. So it will become mu naught I square upon pi into lambda into g. Which one is? Mu naught I square upon pi into lambda into g. Option number 4 is our answer. Okay, this is how we understand it. This is how we solve it. Okay.